So this is room 30041 in the Luxor Pyramid, a pyramid suite. And as you know, I stayed here last year in a Clio renovated room. So this room isn't a renovated room. I don't think they do pyramid suites that are Clio, actually. I think it's only the regular ones, but I could be wrong on that. Anyway, you come in, you've got a walk-in shower and a slightly sort of bigger bathroom area to the regular pyramid rooms. And this is a king bed. And as you know, I love staying in the pyramid, and whenever I come to Luxor, I wouldn't consider staying in the tower, even though I think the rooms are slightly better and maybe slightly updated. I think half the fun is staying in the pyramid, to be honest. So you've got a jacuzzi stroke bath in the bedroom area. The view is, it's getting a bit dark, but it's Delano to the left. A view of the mountains. And you've got a seating area there, or a seat there. Closet space, which includes a safe. TV, which you can sort of move to wherever you're sitting. Position it. And a nice little seating area in this sort of second room. And also a fridge, which is fairly rare in Vegas rooms. In fact, I don't think it's got a mini bar. Yep, no, it's totally empty, which is good as far as I'm concerned. And then another view from that room. Now, during my trip in August, I was upgraded to Gold M-Life status. So when I came last year to the Luxor in January, I got 3 free nights in a pyramid regular room. As I'm Gold status now, I've been upgraded to 3 free nights, obviously in a pyramid suite. I also got a $100 resort credit to use during the trip, and $75 in free play. So all in all, a pretty good offer. Nice little room. Very pleased with it. Here for 7 nights before we head downtown. My mate's a couple of floors below me. So bring it on. Vegas again for 2018. Speak to you soon.